I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some data entry work from home job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Acuren, and they're looking for a data entry clerk. For this job, you'll be responsible for accurate data entry of inspection field reports. You will recognize, identify, and investigate data issues. You will adhere to quality standards and ensure accuracy of work. You participate in team meetings and keep connected to organizations' annual goals and objectives. You'll work within time budget allocations for projects. You'll ensure completion dates are met in conjunction with other team members with customer satisfaction in mind. You'll be accountable for project deliverables on time when it applies for data processing and data management. You'll participate in planning and scheduling meetings with inspection team. You'll develop and maintain relationships with internal and external clients. And you'll communicate to all in a professional, effective, and courteous manner. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must have a high school degree. You must have 3+ years of data entry experience in an office setting. And you must have knowledge of MS Office computer programs. And these are Word, Excel, and Outlook. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are a competitive salary, medical, dental, vision, and supplemental insurance, a 401k plan, paid holidays, and paid time off. This is a full-time position. Before I continue with the rest of this video, I just want to let you know that I have this review guide called Resume Review Guide. The critical steps you need to take before you send in your resume. In this review guide, I share the steps that I take before I send in my resume. These steps have contributed to me getting job interviews and even getting hired. I truly believe that if you get my resume review guide, it'll increase your chances of getting job interviews. If you're interested in buying my guidebook, you can click on the link for it, which is in this video. The next job is with Arkansas's Trailer, and looking for a production data entry clerk. For this job, you'll enter and maintain production data. This includes work orders, production counts, and job status updates. You'll update manufacturing schedules and track progress against targets. You'll verify data accuracy and resolve basic discrepancies with production leads. You'll maintain organized digital records for production documentation. You'll support reporting needs for operations and leadership. And you'll follow established procedures for data quality and confidentiality. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. 1+ years of data entry, manufacturing admin, or operation support is preferred. You must be comfortable working in spreadsheets and data systems. You must have strong attention to detail and consistency. And you must be able to handle repetitive tasks with accuracy and speed. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are health, dental, and vision insurance, PTO and paid holidays, a 401k with company match, and training and growth opportunities. This is a full-time position. The next job is also with Arkansas's Trailer, and they're looking for a manufacturing data entry specialist. For this job, you'll create and update part numbers, item descriptions, and manufacturing records. You'll maintain BOM accuracy and support revisions and updates. You'll enter and verify inventory movements, receipts, and usage data. You'll support purchasing and production teams with clean, reliable data. You'll run basic reports and assist with audits and data checks. And you'll identify inconsistencies and coordinate corrections with internal teams. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. 1+ years in data entry, manufacturing admin, inventory, or procurement support is preferred. You must have strong proficiency with spreadsheets and data systems. And you must be detail-oriented with strong documentation habits. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are medical, dental, and vision coverage, PTO plus holidays, a 401k match, and career development opportunities. This is a full-time position. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so already, just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.